Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. Now you are looking at the final part of the sub-series ranking function, and in this video we will see how to apply ranking with a partition. So ranking partition groups and resetting the ranks. So that's the purpose of this video. So that means here we are going to learn one more group, and we call that as a ranking partition, and then resetting the ranking within the partition group. So we know what is windowing, the overby class that performs sorting, and that sorting is used by the ranking functionality, right? So that's what called windowing. Windowing allows partition of data. Partition means doing further subgroup. So partition or dividing the windowing group. Windowing allows partition of data and resetting the ranking. We can set a group window for product category in our view, right? Our view at present display order number, category name, product name, and net sales, right? So each product falls under a specific category. So let's state that if there are, for example, only 120 product, all these 120 product may fall under, say, for example, 4 category 1, 2, 3, 4. So now if you read here, we can set a group window on product category and apply ranking within each group. So that means this is one category. Under this category, what is the rank? So this is second category. Under this category, what is the rank? So that's what we are going to achieve using the partition of data. Now let's look at the example. Here, select dense rank. We know about dense rank, right? We already had an example on this dense rank. Dense rank over order by net sales descending. So this will apply the ranking. But here if you see, we are stating partition by category name. So what happens now? Let's take that we have 5 category. For simplicity purpose, let's take we have only 3 category. So the ranking will be performed based on net sales, right, and descending order. So, and if for example, if we take the highest rank is 1000, or the highest net sales is 1000, and the lowest one is 2. Right. So what happens based on this net sales value, ranking will be applied within this group. Say for example, 970, 621, and 67. Right. After, when it comes to second group, there are 3 group, right, and these groups are decided by the partition by category name. So this is category 1, category 2, and category 3. After this, the ranking will be reapplied. It depends on how many product we have, and then ranking will be applied. Say for example 870 and 320. And in category 3 we have, let's state that 4 product. So I'm just taking the example 900 and 600, 512 and 97. So likewise, ranking will be given. So what you have to note here is the ranking is going on, then it is reset and ranking starts from 1. And when it goes to third product, ranking resets and goes from 1. So that's what decided by this query. Here you have to think of two entities. One is the net sales. So this is used to perform the ranking. And this is used to categorize the ranking and divide that as a group. And here we are grouping it based on the column 1 here. Column 1 is category name, and performing ranking based on column C2 net sales. And if you use order by some other column name here, then after doing all this, the result will be sorted and displayed to you based on whatever column you specify in the order by class here. Say order by, if I say product name, then this is also a sorting. After doing all this calculation and arranging the data, you will get the net result is ordered by means of a product name. And here is a sample output. Here in the sample output, you can see the rank is keep on increasing, right? Because the product name is beverages here. And we get ranking 165, 66, 67, 68, and you can see on this specific category, the product is decreasing in net sales. All right. So we can state that these are all the 4 product on a specific order on beverages category that made less net sales. So after that, in the next condiments category, the top sales of a product or top net sales are given, and rank resets from 1, right? So the previous category ends with a ranking of 168, and since next category starts or next partition starts, ranking is reset 1, 2, 3, and it is going on like this. And you can see the net sales value. Definitely the lowest ranking on this specific category may fall under 2-digit or 3-digit number, but it depends based on what is the sales. Suppose if a minimum sales is 300, then that will come under low ranking on this condiments category. Now let's go to the demo and see how the data can be ranking can be grouped using the partition by class. So in the previous video we saw the percentile distribution, right? Now we will use the partition by class. So before that we will execute the net sales, and if you see in our view we have category name as well as a product name. There are product that falls under a specific category. If you want to know how many category exists, you can use a distinct class. So whatever you apply in a normal table, that you can apply with the view also. Select a distinct of category name. And if you see, there are 8 category. That means ranking will be given for beverages 1 to the nth rank. Then when it comes to condiments, the ranking will be reset. Similarly, within confection, you will get rank 1 to 2. The same way for seafood, you will get rank 1 to n, right? So that's what here we are doing. Apply partition group. The partition group is category name. Ranking is done based on net sales. And here, if I do execute it, you can see under beverages we have rank 1 to So up to 168, then comes the condiments category. So after the condiments, you can see, so this condiments ends with rank 152, and the ranking is reset and confection starts. So likewise, the result goes here. And if you see, under seafood, we have 192 ranks. And so now we are seeing the top 10 sales on the seafood category. And then rank resets to produce category. There are 91 ranks on this specific category. So you can use the partition by class, and if you need, here also you can finally sort the result, but here you will be seeing the result nicely, right? But this order by class may collapse it, but still you can see the rank. Now I am doing order by product name. So when I apply, you still see the result. Why? Because this result was already computed by this overlay windowing. After that, we are asking to further perform the result ordering based on the product name. So whatever output you are seeing here, that will be ordered now, and you can see the result is sorted based on the product name. Rice mutton is coming first, then the next product, and you can see the ranking is different here because of the product group. So here, I mean the product group in the sense the partition group on ranking. The partition group is based on the category name, right? So it's up to you to decide when to sort this result. Here if you see, the windowing itself performs a nice sorting. So I would personally feel it's good to have sorting done by the windowing function itself. Don't go for any external sorting, and this is how you can see a proper ranking on a specific partition. Alright, that's all here in this video. Just now you saw the demo, and this concludes this sub-series. Thank you for watching, and bye.